So what you got planted here, Mr. Al? What you got here?
Black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas? See, this is what I want. Me a little small garden in the backyard. Get my grandbabies and my babies gonna be out here with me getting this stuff together.
It's gonna be okra and
got some okra right here. Okra and cucumbers. Okay.
Me and my sister-in-law have had some. These are mustards and turnips.
Okay, mustard and turnips.
These are gonna be my watermelons.
Your watermelon row.
This is my corn.
Your corn row.
Pepper and tomatoes. They got pepper. The wind blew that tomato. It's got tomatoes on it and it broke the. But I'm gonna have to come back there and put a stick on it.
Man, you got you a nice setup, and that ain't bad. You got everything you need. Everything you need to feed yourself. It gets bad, you all right, I know where to come to.
There's a time if I'm in the house,
I know where to come to.
Buy whatever you want, but how in the hell are you gonna buy a green onion? I mean,
Exactly.
If I got hot dogs and want me a green onion, going the safe way, I ain't gonna get nothing. Go out here and pull this one up and strip it and wash it. Al's got them. That's what he wants.
Man, this looks nice, Mr. Al.
But doing my work, this is a hell of a lot of work. It's not easy.
Nah. Oh, no, there's some work involved.
And it ain't cheap neither. It costs me shit. It costs me about $20 a month for water. I mean, my water bill go up that much.
Oh, just on doing your yard, but that ain't that bad.
Yeah, and a lot of people, they got swimming pools. They gonna put more than that on their swimming pool. So Al ain't got no swimming pool. He put it on the garden.
They put it on the garden. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm more happy.
That's what my grandfather in the South, that's what he had, a garden right beside his yard. And actually, he had like 2 lots, and he had a lot that was a garden. So one lot he stayed in, the other lot was a garden. Kind of like what you got set up. You just got your backyard. This is what I need. This is cool with me. I can manage this. I don't need nothing too big, but I think I can manage this. I can feed myself. I can feed the grandbabies. I think we'll be all right with a little yard like this. Maybe a little bigger. That's my goal.
Thinking and nothing to do but sit and think. I come back here and sit.
I'm out here networking with Mr. Al today. Got a few items he's going to try to get rid of. Hold on.